Hey yo, it's Chriso. How you doing, everyone? What I'm starting on now is a floor area in an established house that's 30 years old. They're wanting to tile the floor and then sell it. So we'll be doing the tiles. It's a 6x6 tile. I'll be laying this, coming down the stairs here. I'll do a aluminium trim, doing down here, out there at the front entrance, and out there in the patio area. What I'm going to do is, if I start a full tile over there against that wall, it gives me a cut of about 430, which is good there. I want to run a string line right through just so I can see what my cut is going to be against that wall and at the front entrance. It'll be a simple step tread there. I'll make that piece up there about 4 to 5 inches, or 100mm or 125mm wide. That just determines that there's a step there, because the tile will be coming this way. It just shows you that there's a step there, and then you're not tripping up it or tripping down. Then I do these couple of stairs here. Easy. So easy. Easy peasy. I'll build this one out with a bit of mud. Bang it out. Easy. Oh, simple. And even more so, people, when the skirting is off. So he asked me, could I do the skirting as well? So I said to him, yeah, that's all right. It'll cost him, but he'd rather me do it than get someone else in to do it, you know. Sorry, chippies, carpenters, but I can do a little bit of both. Well, I'm a tiler, but I can do chippy work as well. Pretty simple. What else? It'll work out if my full tile's there. I'll go halfway under the door, so 600 is to there. So a 500mm cut there, that's cool. It doesn't really matter where I start. Like if I go a full tile off that wall, with this being on the angle. Oh, I lost my pencil now. So what do we got? 10 6 is a 60, which is 6 meters. I should have my fat boy tape. It's not as flimsy. when I'm doing long distance, but it's in my van somewhere. Okay, 600, 6 meters is to there. .6 is to there, so that's cool. Nothing wrong with that. So I can start a full tile. It doesn't matter about that because it's on the angle, so it doesn't matter what the cut is. A full tile, it comes to about that line there, so that's cool. Because I'll be putting a top piece in to determine the step, so that's cool. Okay, I'll carry on and do a few things, and then I'll run a string line through here and I'll show you what I've got here. So this is all just a set out for a lounge floor and entranceway. If I start a full tile up there and then I've got the steps to break it, I can then, all I've got is the same line, which is cool. I can start it either way, that way or that way, it doesn't matter, and I'll centralize the whole thing off the front door. So it's center of my tile or the grout line, so it's the center of the door coming in. And what looks out a square, that patio out there. Anyway, that's fine. Everything will be set off this lower part, everything will be set off the center of the door. I can move it either way, it doesn't matter, because it's with the step there and the step there, I can move the whole floor to the right or to the left, it doesn't matter. This is Chris O. Watch other episodes and videos of my bathrooms and other floors. You'll learn heaps. See you soon.